Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking XP19 Watt Intro Cap Thinking. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Now focusing on title of assignment XP19 Watt Intro Cap Thinking. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now customer one just start what download and open the name. Basically in this step we will have download Word file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded Word file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download it easily. Okay, here is my Word file. Okay, question number one is completed now. Now moving on question number two. Question number two is that and custom to is that by displaying non-printing characters you see such indicators as page and section breaks which are helpful when managing document flow. Display non-printing character, note that the document include a blank first page. Change the document theme to restrict and select colors of blue warm. Select all text in the document and change the font to Time New Roman. Okay, by displaying non-printing characters. Okay, go to home to non-printing characters. By displaying non-printing character, you see such an indicator as page and section breaks. You see such indicator and page. Okay, display non-printing character. Note that documents include a blank first page. Okay, here's non-printing characters. Change the document theme to retrospect. Okay, go to design and go to themes. Here is document theme to retrospect and select color of blue warm. Select color of blue warm, color to blue warm. Scroll down and then select blue warm. Okay, it will be selected here. It will be black. Select all text in the document and change the font to Times New Roman. Select to text. Okay, first we select text, then documents in the document and change the font to Times New Roman. Okay, time to New Romans. It's done now. Time New Roman, font to Time New Roman. Okay, click the View tab and display the ruler. Go to View tab and display the ruler. Okay, it's done now. Now moving on question number 3. Question number 3 is that some phrases such as full name of people or publisher display more attractively. Okay, remove the word why from the second sentence in the first body paragraph on page 2. Remove the space following in the word cognitive in the last sentence of the first body paragraph on the page 2 and insert non-breaking space symbol between cognitive and creatively. Okay. Remove the word why from the second sentence in the first body. Remove the word why from the second sentence in the first body. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and research. Please contact me through my email and WhatsApp. Okay, remove the word from the second sentence in the first body paragraph on the page 2. Okay, moving on word file. Select this sentence and remove the why. Okay, remove this. Then remove the space following in the word cognitive and the last sentence of the first body. Remove the space following. Okay. Remove the space following. Okay. Cognitive creativity. Between creativity. Cognitive creativity. Okay, then go to symbol and select character is that. Space symbol. Okay, symbol and space symbol. Then insert. Okay, close. Okay, you can see this is completed. This question is completed. Now I have done 3 questions of this assignment. I'm moving on question number 4. Question number 4 is that insert check mark bullets on 3 single line paragraphs in the first body paragraph, beginning with the tragedy of the humans and ending with the nature of well-being. Reduce the intent to position bullets at the left margin and ensure that each bulleted text begin with the capital letters. Change the left and right margins to 1. Okay, result a check mark bullets on 3 signal line paragraph. Paragraph beginning with the irrationally. Okay, check mark bullets of 3 signal line paragraph in the first word paragraph. Moving on word file. Select this. Okay, in irrationally of humans, the concept of proposed theory and go to the home tab and go to the okay. Insert check mark. It's irrationally humans. Reduce intent to position bullets at the left margin and ensure that each bulleted text okay then sentence uppercase bullets all in lowercase. The dictionary of mass. Okay, capital letter. The nature of well-being. Change the left and right margins to 1. Change the left and right margins to 1. Go to layout, go to margin and custom margin and left and right margins to 1. Left margin is 1 and then right margin is 1. Then press OK. It's done now. I have done 4 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 5. You can see here I have done 4 questions. Now question number 5 is that in outline view you can collapse headings to any level of detail and the manage sections, perhaps dragging to rearrange them as you do in the step. Change the outline view. Okay, basically we have to go change the outline view, change the show level setting to level 2, drag states of Procepts theory directly below the heading Procepts theory so that it's become the first sublevels in the Percepts theory section. Close outline view, bold the bulleted items on page 2. Okay, basically we will have to change the outline view, then change the show level setting to level 2. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, and for complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Okay, change to outline view, moving on Word file and go to change to outline view. Go to view tab and go to outline. Click on outline. Okay, this view will be changed to outline view. Then okay, then change the show level setting to level 2. Change the low level setting to level 2. Okay, level 2. Outline and show level set to level 2. And drag stage of percepts theory directly below the heading percepts theory so that it become the first sub-level in the percepts theory section. Okay. Russian section. Okay. Close outline view, bold the bulleted atom on page 2. Close outline view. Okay, close outline view. Then bold the bulleted atom on page 2. Bold the bulleted atom on page 2. Okay, bulleted atom. So bulleted atom. And then bold on page 2. Bulleted atom and bold then. Okay, done. Bulleted atom, then bold then. Okay, bulleted atoms, select then bold them. I have done this question. You can see I have done 5 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 6. Question number 6 is that select all text in the document and adjust paragraph spacing before and after to 0 pt. Double space to documents at the first line indent of 0.5 point to the first body paragraph on page 2. The study of behaviors economics center the title and subtitle. Change the line spacing of the first line cognitive creatively to 1.0. Okay, select all text in the document and adjusting paragraph spacing before the after 0 pt. Moving on Word file and then select all text. Select all text in the documents. Okay, select all text in the document. Then and adjust paragraph spacing before and after to 0 pt. Okay, then our document before after and select 0 pt. Go to paragraph and then 0 pt before and after 0 pt. Then press OK. Double space the documents at first the line indent of 0.5. Go to paragraph. Go to line spacing is double space the document at the first the indent of 0.5 to the first body paragraph of page 2. The study of behavior economics. Go to paragraph. Then okay, first line indent of 0.5 to first body paragraph. 0.5 to first body paragraph. Okay, then press OK. Maybe center the title and subtitle. Change the line. Okay, go to paragraph and first line of 0.5, then press OK. It's done now. Center the title and subtitle. Center the title and subtitle. Center the title. Title. Select and click on center and subtitle and click on center. Okay, it's done now. Change the line spacing of first line cognitive creativity to 1.0. Change the line spacing of the first line cognitive creativity to 1.0. Okay, moving on. 1.0. Okay, I have done 5 questions of this assignment. For 6 questions of this assignment, for remaining question you want to teach for complete course, please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and shows on screen. I will provide you A+ grade in your assignment, exam, quizzes and complete course. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.